Alright guys, in this video we're gonna do some shape which I was figuring out quite a bit. One for front view, C, center, B, chamfer it, right click to confirm, B, bevel it a bit, 3, rotate, right click to confirm, GG, something like this, right click to confirm, Shift D, drag it down, rotate, double one, scale, something like this, Shift A, 3 on your keyboard, hold Control to get it off the grid. Now snap it to this bit, 3, now Shift A, it's a middle point again, 3, scroll out, transform and roll out to somewhere here, and to get it to middle of the shape, gotta do this, something like this, 3 on your keyboard, 1, select these, B, loft, press shift click, right click to confirm, and we got it. Now it's 3 on your keyboard to side view, Shift A, hold Control, get it off the grid, hold Control, Shift A, Shift A, Shift A to get it off the grid. 2-point curve, V to rotate, 2-point curve, V to rotate, done. 1 on your keyboard, B, vertices, 2 on your keyboard, shift click, L, shift click, done. Easy now.